My name is Pekka Sinervo, and it's my pleasure to welcome you here on behalf of SNOLAB. I'm the chair of the board of directors of SNOLAB Institute, and it really truly is our pleasure to welcome you all here for the official grand opening of this, the very important international facility. SNOLAB has been a project which has taken approximately a decade to get to this point. And you'll hear a little bit more about this in detail as we go through the conference. The organization itself is headed by a group of universities, 5 of them today: the University of Carleton University, the Queen's University, Laurentian University, University of Montreal, and most recently now University of Alberta. It's a national organization doing international science. This laboratory was not possible without partnerships in a number of different ways. You've already heard of one, namely the universities that came together to envision this, build this, and make it work. But we've also had a very strong partner here in the city of Sudbury. That has really been one of the things that have fueled the SNOLAB and its success. So it's my pleasure to invite Marianne Madchek, Mayor of the city, to give us opening remarks.
Sure. I am pleased to be here for the official grand opening of SNOLAB. With the opening of this institute, Greater Sudbury will continue to be recognized for world-class, cutting-edge research. SNOLAB is the only research facility of its kind in Canada, and it is currently the deepest underground laboratory in the world.
We've invested in the order of about $50 million since inception. So I must say that it's really been a very beneficial relationship for us as well. Really a true win-win relationship. And when this project was first conceived, it was our miners here at our Sudbury operations who actually excavated the original cavern that housed the detector at the 6,800 foot level of the mine. And I think, Marianne, you mentioned this was the the largest and deepest excavation of its kind to date. So from Valley's perspective, we've been able to gather invaluable information for developing further deep mining excavations. It's also a very important part of our future plans because we continue to mine deeper in the basin. So the information that we gather, it helps us for things such as geotechnical information as well.
I'm absolutely delighted to be here today on behalf of the Canada Foundation for Innovation to celebrate the grand opening of the entire SNOLAB facility. What an accomplishment. It's to see all the pieces together now in this world-class facility is absolutely breathtaking. Today's opening is a testament to the government's deep commitment to bolstering Canada's research capacity. And we at CFI are proud to be part of the Government of Canada's vision for a stronger, more innovative society, and we firmly believe that the world-class research infrastructure that we support is essential to building this country's competitiveness and prosperity.
It's delightful that everybody has come to join us in this happy occasion. When we mark a milestone, it's one step along the way towards the new science we want to do. It's the completion of the construction of the infrastructure and the point where we can really look forward now to the development of the experiments and the new science that we are also excited about. So I'd like to just recall that we started working here, I believe it was 28 years ago, and one of the constants through this period has been the support we've had from INCO and now Vale. And it's not just that they've hosted our projects, it's that they have taught us everything we know about working in this environment, which is a hostile environment. It tolerates no lax activity. Everything we've learned about working in this environment we owe to Vale. This is the environment we have to work in to do the science we want to do. But thank you so much, in addition to all the other contributions which you've made. So I would now like to introduce the new director of SNOLAB, who's Nigel Smith, who is in fact 2 kilometers underground.
So as one of a handful of deep underground facilities, it's great to be able to open the facility formally and look forward to this really strong science program as the deepest, cleanest laboratory in the world. It's been a tremendous success. It's a testament to the vision of those who came before and looked at the success of SNO and made the case to the funding agencies that we could develop this facility, develop it into an international, world-class science laboratory. So it's tremendous to be down here now to be able to open formally the SNOLAB underground facility. So back to you, David.
So to officially open the facility, we will unveil plaques commemorating this occasion, both on surface, and this will go into our entrance, and underground in the underground laboratory. So if I could just read it, it says, in commemoration of the opening of the SNOLAB Underground Research Facility, May 17, 2012, made possible through the generous support of the Northern Ontario Heritage Fund Corporation, the Canada Foundation for Innovation, the Ontario Research Fund, INSERC, FedNor, and Vale.